Oh. Not easy cleaning a cup with one hand. Have a nice coffee. Woke up quite early this morning because we were drinking yesterday afternoon and into the early evening. So my body clock's been affected. So instead of lying there, I thought I might as well get up for an hour or so. I'm single, you see, I've not got myself a lady. So not else to do, have I? I'm going to make this video for my members. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, I've got a bit of a quandary. I don't know what to do for the best. I don't know what to do for the best. Tonight is my last night in Chiang Mai, and tomorrow I'm getting a train. This is what I plan to go to Ayutthaya. But I'm enjoying it here. So I don't know what to do. Should I stay for another night or two and then head to Bangkok for a night or two and meet my mates and go to Ayutthaya later on in the trip? I just don't know what to do. I'll think about it tonight or later on today and make that decision. Nice and chilled and laid back here. I'm enjoying it. So what do I do? Any suggestions? Could go to Ayutthaya and it might not be as good. I've been before, but this time I'm going to stay slightly in a different area. But the thing with Ayutthaya, it's only really the temples and everything's spread out, which I don't mind. I'll hire a little tuk-tuk and get them to take me around, but they'll probably only take me to some of the temples that I've already been to. So that's making me think about that. And is it really big enough to warranty 2 nights there in just like the little drinking area? So I don't know what to do. And also regarding drinking, I said, we're going to drink on this trip. I've been here 2 days and I've never drunk as much, but not really getting. No, I tell a lie. I've been here 2 days and I've consumed quite a lot of beer. So, I don't know. I'm not moaning about it. I've enjoyed myself. I don't feel ill or anything, or hungover like I did when I was in Pattaya last trip. So, what should I do? Oh, that's hot. Have you tried these little things? It's like little bits of jelly inside. Alright. Got a bit of a weird taste, but not bad. So what I'm going to do now, finish this, edit this little video, keep meaning to try and do a live stream, but I'm a bit shy. I've never done one before. I don't want to do one sat in a room like this, unless I've got a girl with me. I might ask her if I can do one. And I'll try and do one in a bar, but they're that noisy. You won't probably be able to hear anything. So if I can find a quiet bar somewhere, But what can I talk about for an hour or so? Yeah, the trip's going well. I've enjoyed it here. Met a few people. A couple of young lads from, I think I mentioned from Sheffield. One was from Sheffield and the other one, I can't remember what he said. And then last night, two guys, one from England, he told me again where it was, but I can't remember. He said he was an actor, he used to be an actor. And a monk. He's been a monk. And an American guy who lives here now, used to be a teacher from Oklahoma, I think he said. So we had a good chat at the bar, a few beers and everything in the Red Lion. What a nice pub that is, the Red Lion. Beer's alright in there, they've got draft Guinness and all that sort of stuff if you're into that. So yeah, that's where I watched the footy last night. Apparently there were no drinking because of the elections, but they were in there. Unless they've got a pass off the local authorities because there's tourists and they've got to go somewhere. So maybe they were allowed. Or do I go to Bangkok for 4 days instead of 2? There'll be more things to do in Bangkok, to film. So I don't know. But what doesn't really appeal to me now about Bangkok is Nana. And I've done it. I don't think I'd be interested in the slightest of going to Nana. Right, where's my mouse gone? Right, enough of this. So that's what I was just thinking. I thought I'd make this little video. It was 40 yesterday. It touched 40, red hot. Yeah, so I thought I'd just make this little update about what should I do. I'll have to make a decision today, because if I am going to go, I need to get to the station today and book my ticket. Apparently I've been told that you've got to do it the day before because it could be full. I don't know, is that true or is that just another rumour what you get told of people? So we'll have to think long and hard about what to do. So once again, thanks for joining my channel. I'll do a lot more updates and make some more videos. I've done a few, but I've got to edit them and upload them to this little channel. It's not a bad little room, this. It's a bit small, but it's nice and cool. I've got a fan, the aircon, the TV. Obviously I've not really watched, it's just been stuck on that channel. A nice warm shower, a balcony that's too hot to sit out on. Can't really complain. Friendly staff. They never cleaned my room this morning because I went out and came back mid-afternoon because it was that hot and they hadn't done it, so I came in and she knocked on the door. Oh, I clean room. Oh, no, you're alright. Just do it tomorrow. But can I have some more tea and coffee and some water? So she just brought that in. So yeah, cannot grumble. I can't remember, 2,000 and something I paid. It was on that 2,000 whatever for 3 nights. Can't really beat that. Anyway, Owen, stop boring people to death. And over and out.